Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is our collective love reading. Collective to, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante yung reading, kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka. Maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay? And yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the sign of wala pala tayong sign. So, collectives po ito. Kung may babanggitin ako zodiac sign, energies lang yon. So, let's start your reading. For collectives, kunin muna natin yung main energy mo. Main energy, Four of Cups, Four of Wands. Yeah, that's number 44 for you. And bottom of the deck is a Two of Swords. You could be dealing with two people. Nakikita natin someone in the past and maybe present person ang nakikita natin dito. With the Four of Cups, I feel like, I don't know, kung ikaw ay nasa isang relationship ngayon, I feel like you're no longer, nandun pa rin naman yung stable connection ninyo. Andun pa rin naman yung masaya ka sa relationship ninyo. But, regarding sa love or parang wala ka na nararamdaman. Or maybe, kung meron mang love, maybe you're looking at your person and parang hindi ka na sigurado sa kanya. About the past, I can see reconciliation. You're manifesting reconciliation with the past. Pero hindi mo alam kung mangyayari pa. That's the energy. I can see a lot of violet, so I don't know. Violet, pink, magenta, green. Kunin natin yung energy ng person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. Pag di ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong ipilit. Hindi para sa yung reading. Past person with the Magician and the Three of Swords. Yeah. I'm feeling like this is the third person sa connection. With the Six of Pentacles, someone who really do love giving gifts. Someone na mahilig mag-surprise. This person miss you a lot with the Five of Cups. Namimiss ka niya. Ito yung past person and nakikita natin na sobrang nasasaktan siya ngayon. Since dalawa yung kakonect mo, kukuha pa ako ng isang energy which is yung present person or yung kasalukuyang kakonect mo. Kukunin din natin ang energy niya. Tell me about the present person. You do have here the Three of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. Iba-ibang connection, guys. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may pagkakalayo sa inyo nitong person na ito. Present person, you could be dealing with 2 or 3 people in your life. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng dalawa lang and then the other person is like yourself. You do love yourself for now with the Empress. This is like your energy. Alam mo, maraming tao talaga may gusto sa'yo eh. Hindi lang itong dalawa dito na nabanggit. A lot of people are looking at you and they see you as kahanga-hanga. You are the Empress. Maraming humahanga sa'yo. And they all want to have you. Gusto nilang makuha ka or maging kanila ka. The present person, I feel like medyo mataas ang tingin sa'yo nitong taong to. Present person. Anyway. You do have your love affair. So, yeah. Could be dealing with a third party, third person energy. Hamster wheel is here. So, maraming, you do have your daily hustle, surviving. So, marami kang sources of income. You could be dealing with 2 to 3 or more people. Or sila itong nagkakagusto sa'yo. Pero ang focus mo ngayon is how to survive. How to earn money. Okay. How about this person in the past? Messages about the person in the past for collectives. You do have here cleansing, roller coaster. Ang daming negativity sa paligid ng person na ito. Inaayos niya. There's a roller coaster energy. Dito sa connection ninyo nitong person na ito. May mga times exciting, may mga times nakakatakot. So, yung person na ito, hindi siya maintindihan sa totoo lang sa ngayon kung ano ba talagang gusto niya. I'm feeling like excited siyang makita ka. How about the present person? Present person, yeah. You do have your triggers. And plug. Itong person na to nagcha-charge, like, maybe tinatry niyang ayusin ang kanyang health. Nagpo-focus siya sa kanyang health. Importante ka dito sa person na to kasi nakikita ka niya as a material thing. Importante ka kasi maybe yung mga sources niya sa'yo galing. Connection ninyo ng person na ito, may napapakinabangan siya sa'yo. At ikaw ang I don't know, I feel like sa'yo galing lahat. Maybe you're paying this person's bills. Or maybe you're giving him food, him or her. So, ikaw nagpo-provide sa person na ito. Maybe you are in a relationship. Or kung hindi man, basta malaki pakinabang niya sa'yo. Tell me about the Empress. And the Eight of Pentacles. Drastic is here. Wala kang pakialam sa iba. The other connection, wala kang pakialam sa iba. I mean, yung nabanggit ko, maybe sila lang yung mga nasa isip mo ngayon, but the other people, hindi masyado. Maybe kina-cut off mo na yung iba kasi you are focusing on yourself, you're loving yourself. You know. What will happen in the near future here for you? You do have your lockdown. Desire is here. I can see a lot of connection na mapupuno ng sexual connection. So, I don't see love here. in the near future. The person in the past is coming back, babalik. You do have your karmic at the bottom of the deck. Third party relationship lesson. You could be dealing with 3 people. Pero may nakikita akong offer sa'yo itong si past. Na maaring hindi niya sinabi or iniwasan niya noon. Maaring noon iniwasan ka niya, but in the near future may offer siya. You do have your twin flames. You could be dealing with a karmic or you could be dealing with a twin flame. Alien is here. And the synchronicities. Ayan, signs 1111, 222, and 333. You're on the right path. So, nasa tamang landas ka. Sa ngayon, with the lockbox, I don't know if you are with the lockdown and lockbox. So, maybe meron kang situation wherein you are trapped in the near future. Trapped ka. Di ka makaalis dun sa situation na yon. And you do have here pressure cooker, rage ready to explode. I'm seeing that in the near future, kung ano man yung mga naayos mo sa buhay mo, malapit na maging maayos ito. I can see malaking pagbabago sa'yo in the near future. Malaking pagbabago saan? Tell me about this. Okay, malaking pagbabago pagdating sa I'm feeling like this is malaking pagbabago regarding sa sitwasyon. Kaabang-abang na sitwasyon for you in the near future dahil may malaking pagbabago regarding sa silence or sa katahimikan, sa disconnection na nangyayari sa inyo nitong person na ito. Like, this past person with the karmic energy is babalik. You do have here the divorce final energy. So, may babalik and then there's possible ending with the karmic person. May ending kay karmic and then may magbabalik. Okay. Tell me about the near future for our collectives. Realizations. And you do have here obsession. Bottom of the deck is the divine masculine. Forbidden love. Okay, for some of you, a third party which is maaring ipinagbabawal or third person is coming back. A lot of realization. Hindi ka kayang mawala nitong taong to, kaya siya babalik. Hindi kanya kayang mawala. Hindi kanya kayang mawala. Like, na-realize niya maybe that this person is obsessed with you, that ikaw yung kailangan kong makuha. You are the one I want. Tell me more. In the near future, you do have here beliefs, deception. Sorry, this is synchronicities, disharmony, And one more card. Reunion, separation. Oh my gosh. Thoughts is here. Soul connection to eh. May reconciliation na mangyayari in the near future. Pero definitely, may separation din. Kasi, ito yung reunion na ito ang magbibigay ng conflict. Kung bakit magkakaroon ng separation dun sa isa, yun ay dahil may reunion na magaganap and nagkakaroon ng panloloko, pagtatago, and that would lead into irreconcilable differences. So, that would lead into divorce or separation dun sa isa with a karmic. I feel like your twin flame, if you're dealing with the twin flame, you're dealing with a person na hindi ka kayang i-let go and babalik siya sa buhay mo. And definitely, matitrigger itong si karmic or yung isang person, matitrigger, and that would lead into a separation sa inyong dalawa because there's definitely love affair or third party situation. You do have your the Hierophant, Temperance, Nine of Swords. See? Bottom of the deck is the Death card. Definitely an ending. With the Temperance, maaaring matagal mo na itong hinihintay at paparating na with the Hierophant kasi this person is magigising na sa connection ninyo. The Hierophant is someone na natutunan niya na yung mga lessons na dapat niya matutunan and this person is coming back. And itong si Nine of Swords, this is the person na maaaring hindi matutuwa sa connection na babalik dito and that would lead into a separation sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, the past is coming back. The past is coming back. Hindi mo na mapipigilan si past. Babalik at babalik siya. Dahil na-realize niya, ikaw ang para sa kanya. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.